Love when it's only gon' ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flow, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no shit.
Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. Leave a like, subscribe. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm currently walking to work. It is a Sunday morning. Just want to say, like, work has just become like part, and uni as well, so it's become a big part of what I do in my life. Also, I did, like, a few weeks ago, guys, I've got this cast on my hand. Me and Curtis and my friend Chris from work saw a film at the cinema in Chesterfield. Finished the film, we went to the car park. I decided, oh yeah, I need a piss. Instead of going in Cineworld, I decided I needed a piss outside Cineworld. I was like, there's no one around, it's dark. But then I was like, okay, you know what, I'll just take a piss down here. Which I really regret now, and I couldn't do it. And Chris and Curtis are already in the car. I decided to run. In mind, this was like rainy, it's wet and sludgy, and then I slip, fall on my left side. I fractured like the middle part of my hand on the left side. I was in agony, absolute agony. And I didn't want to do anything until I woke up the next day. Then I went to minor injuries unit in the pouring rain. I'll put a picture on the screen of like when I went there. So I'm like documenting my life, but I'm not like filming it because why would I? I'm just doing lighter stuff, easier aisles. I don't require much heavy lifting. I still need the money, I still need to work. I will finish work at 10. Anyway, I'll see you guys later when I finish work. Hey guys, the time right now is just gone 2:30. I'm just chilling at home. I'm tired. I'm gonna have a shower in a bit and get ready. My friends are coming over later on. It's actually really nice weather today. I hope it's like this later on. I hope you all enjoyed the most recent video I uploaded. It was the Grindleford, how we made that Grindleford film. If you guys haven't checked that video out, check it out down below. I have changed instructors because my first instructor thinks that like I stress out a bit, which I don't. I get annoyed at like certain moments of set off or stall or anything like that. So I changed instructors, and then about a few months later I found a new instructor on Facebook, which is always a good place to find like things on Marketplace, far better than my first instructor. I've had a really good amount of few lessons with her. I've done a lot more in a few weeks than I have when I did with my previous instructor. This week I was driving and I was like doing all this stuff at once, like using the clutch, using the brake pedal, all this other stuff. And I think I just had a massive brain fart. I couldn't get going, I couldn't set off. So then my driving instructor thinks that I should be driving automatic, which I do like the sound of. And that is what my previous instructor said. It's easier so that I'm not like remembering all this stuff. And driving automatic is far better, far easier. I actually could see myself doing that. I might have to start driving manual, which I don't mind. And my instructor now said she is starting to look at getting an automatic car. I wouldn't mind driving automatic. I still need to do my theory. I still need to get the motivation to do that. Thank you for listening to me ramble about this. Just had a shower, guys. All freshened up now after work. Gonna rest now, probably watch TV, wait for the lads to come over. So stay tuned for that later on. So guys, I'm currently waiting for my friend. He's walking, which is quite ballsy to be honest. And Kristen's probably already set off. Quite excited for this actually. It is very dark already outside. Got some sparklers, got some drinks, watch some fireworks if there is any, hopefully. And then probably come back and watch a movie. Hello. It's fine. Come on, come on, do it, go, do it. Chill. Oh my god.
He does like a Frosty Jack.
Go.
Any of this?
Jack Frost.
You want a can?
Maybe there.
Yes, you can.
Is that too much? Is that too much drink?
It's foul.
Yeah.
Setting that on the fire.
There's like a glow behind that house. Right, so we are outside drinking a little bit.
Hello.
We're gonna see some fireworks. We've got sparklers in here.
You get the view. You know, as soon as you turn your camera off, they're gonna have like a massive one. You miss it.
Right, cross here.
I love a good fire.
Oh, that's nice. It's like a Comic-Con or something, not like a circus event. Yeah, the fireworks, and we're drinking. So it's...
Don't do that. You're blinding that.
Oh, you're blinding me. Wait, is someone there? No. Right, let's go. Right. Down here. Guys, I think go down there, but better to go down here. Darkness, yeah. Sorry, bro. We're gonna slip again. It's a shortcut, bro.
I don't care about slip.
Oh Jesus! It'll be even more muddy. fireworks, yeah? Oh, that's actually sick. Oi, we're gonna spend all the night here because it looks sick. Look, everyone's just crying. Everyone's crowded around. Come on, guys. There's always someone, isn't there? Come on, taking a picture. Come on, taking a. Oh, sorry. Right, come on. You can't come on. Right, guys, we look at some fireworks. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, we
shot the bottle there. Oh shit, guys.
What's my?
I lost one of the.
There was a packet over there.
Got it. Oh, it's sludgy. Yeah. Right, let's enjoy it. Come on. Oh yeah, there's a little stream here, guys.
What?
There's a stream.
You parkour, like someone could die.
There's midgets in the trenches.
Could you imagine if someone just dies there?
At this point, you're used to the flashing lights because everyone's got a torch. So me filming does actually look weird. So I could just
blend in, you know.
Exactly. Yeah. I'm vlogging.
Oh my god.
Oh, I think we've missed like so much good stuff. Like everyone's so many.
We're a bit late.
Yeah, but we're gonna have to find that whole together. Yeah, there's like one over here somewhere. I've never been here for Bonfire night. Never.
Same, actually.
Right, what are we doing? Please. I know, it's nice, isn't it? The thing is, these fireworks are somebody else's fireworks at their house. They're not even like owned by people here. They're just.
Yeah, same. And one more growing one. Keep the light on the edge of my camera. Like, yeah, keep it there. Yeah, keep it there. Hold on. And 3, 2, 1. That's kind of cool, you know. Got a bit
yeah, that's what. Oh. Ooh.
The glare going
yeah.
People got chairs in this shit, bro. People got chairs. Dedication. Someone just lob a sparkler.
Yeah, that's what they do.
It just lands on something.
Picture. Can't see the camera. Oh, Hitler.
Maybe not a shout out in the middle of the pot, my guy.
I didn't think. I can't see anyone.
You need to think before you speak, my guy. Oh.
Sorry. See anyone.
Not in my eyes. It's fucking
right.
That's how you do it.
Yeah, oi, go on. Yeah, go on, lad. Go on.
There you go.
Do a letter. Karma K.
Right. K, 4, R, M.
Thumbnail.
A. Oh, does that work?
Oh,
Don't give any fire.
I'm walking on sunshine.
Don't do that in here. Look, it's harmless. Set an example for the kids around you. Don't listen to me, kids.
Listen to him, Guy Fawkes.
I do look like Guy Fawkes, actually. You want one?
How long did it last?
They finish about now-ish.
Well, cover there. It's got the wait. Middle.
Go on, Xander.
There you go. So
You want me to do yours?
S-U-V-S-R-I-V. Do it.
Subscribe to Sir Hun.
Which end is it?
Yeah, you've got it. Yeah, it's that end. So if you hold it, hold it at that end. Yeah.
Yep.
Ready? Hold it still. Come on. There we go.
Take one. Oh, God.
Go on, spell Josh. Go on. Mad. You know Disney Channel. Come on. Oh, I've always loved them. Come on, do it. Why is I not doing it? Ow. Give me a minute. Ah. Why is I not doing it? But they burnt my finger off.
I'm still holding you watching Disney Channel.
Join together.
Can you see it on the
Yeah, you can.
subscribe to Sir Horn? Subscribe. It was a bit of a mess, but
I can't even see you.
Take a picture. Stand still.
This is not singing strange stuff. It's strange. Going for a ball right now, guys.
Oh, that was sick. No, there's still stuff in it. Hold on, give me a minute. Come on. Come on. There we go.
Thank you. I don't know what to do myself, but...
I'll see this Josh at work again. Oh.
Wait, go on, come here. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Jesus Christ, that was loud.
Is that Doctor Strange?
Doctor Strange, yeah.
Wait.
I have power.
It's like campfire vibe.
And advised by zero. Circle.
When I get a photo, wait.
You think it'll still go off?
And that's
Oh, yeah. Fruit on a tree.
Throw it on and set the tree on fire. Oh, look, light. I will lead the way.
By Hitler.
Oh no, Jesus. not that.
No. Mad.
Still light, bro. Yeah, but
That's nice. That's like an open shot. Quiet.
I'm leading you.
hell,
It's a bit
tripped,
muddy,
man.
watch out.
Tripped.
Oh, we're not on the path?
No, barely.
Oh yeah, no, we're
Where are we? Where are we? We're relying on this source of light.
Oh, the corners around here.
Yeah, it does.
Oh.
No. Pressure.
We ran out of technology.
Right now. Technology.
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 Oh, it's a bit wet now.
Shot. Just a photo.
telescope and you can't really see much. But my mate's got a really good one. And yeah, he was like, look, that's, you can see 3 of its moons. And I was like, nah, it blew my mind thinking. Obviously, I was on drugs at the time.
That's what I'm seeing, yeah.
That exasperated the whole thing.
Does it look like the back of the Yu-Gi-Oh cards?
Yeah.
The cards.
Brown.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's like that.
Sparkler effect.
Oh.
Yeah, okay.
These are the content. These are highlight.
Yeah, this is great. You got some B-roll.
Free firework display.
Now.
Oh, it's black globs.
What'd you call me?
Well, I remember that fucking job.
Oh, we have to get it. You know what I appreciate? How from here you can make out the city and then it just turns out like neighbourhoods.
Dark.
I know, I'm just really interested. It's got more, it's got more. It's got more. Come on, he's got an sleeve.
He's got a trick up his sleeve.
He's gonna shoot off a massive.
Come on. Are you explosive or not? He's not.
Imagine if this is just like how it is. It's just the most anticlimactic final.
And everyone's looking.
Everyone's anticipating. Like a gift now of like someone disappointed.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah, here we go. I'm in the...
Look at that. It's like a silhouette. See the city? You can just see out the outline.
Shadow people.
Yeah. Look at that sky.
My bad, guys.
Look at that sky.
I like it.
Blue and
Reminds me of
white.
Paramount.
Yeah.
You know when the opening cars come out?
The music. And then the stars fly.
Yeah, the mountain.
Yeah, the mountain. Tell you what, we'll walk away, but keep your camera on.
Yeah.
Just in case, because knowing our luck.
So you know last night, I shouted to him. Because I'm not acknowledging people around. It's like with a camera couple, then you never know.
Just turns it off and it's cut massive.
B-roll, you get me? Go over there, you're my content. Can't see us. Boy, oh. Come on, get me in the shot. Get me in the shot. Come on.
That's why I took it out the car.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that. Shit. Oh.
I gotta be honest with you, auto mechanics isn't really my thing.
You bitch.
Now, if this were a spreadsheet or a ledger, I would be all... Mr. Penis.
He's a little diva.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, Josh. I hope you enjoyed the show. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe because I'm drunk. Give him a call. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Hey guys, and I finished work this morning. Went really well.